Waking up refreshed. Unlock the secrets to a better morning. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that touches on both language and well-being. Waking up refreshed. Understanding this phrase not only helps us improve our English skills but also offers insights into how we can enhance our daily lives. So, let's explore what it truly means to wake up feeling refreshed and how it can positively impact our day. Waking up refreshed is a common English expression that describes the feeling of being fully rested, energized, and ready to start the day after a good night's sleep. It implies that one has slept well enough to recover from the previous day's fatigue, both physically and mentally. The key components here are rested and energized. They encapsulate the essence of waking up in a state where your body and mind are rejuvenated. Sleep isn't just about the number of hours you spend with your eyes closed. It's the quality of sleep that matters most. Good sleep quality means you go through all the necessary stages of sleep, allowing your body and mind to heal, restore, and prepare for the next day. When you wake up refreshed, it's a sign that your sleep was both deep and restorative. This section can delve into the benefits of quality sleep, such as improved mood, better cognitive function, and overall health. Achieving that refreshed feeling upon waking up is something many strive for. Here are some practical tips to help you improve your sleep quality. Establish a regular sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day sets your body's internal clock. Create a restful environment. Make sure your bedroom is quiet, dark, and at a comfortable temperature. Limit screen time before bed. Exposure to blue light from screens can disrupt your sleep cycle. Relax and unwind. Develop a pre-sleep routine that may include reading, meditation, or a warm bath. Waking up feeling refreshed can dramatically improve your day. It enhances your productivity, focus, and creativity, and it also makes you more emotionally balanced and resilient in the face of daily stresses. This segment can highlight personal testimonials or studies showing the positive effects of waking up refreshed on various aspects of life, including work performance, personal relationships, and overall happiness. Waking up refreshed is more than just a pleasant start to the day. It's a cornerstone of good health and well-being. By understanding what it means and how to achieve it, you're taking a step towards not just better English comprehension, but a healthier, more vibrant life. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you'll apply some of these tips to wake up feeling rejuvenated every morning. Thank you for watching, and here's to mornings that truly feel good. Remember, embracing the phrase, waking up refreshed, in both language and practice can lead to remarkable improvements in your daily life. See you in the next video.